Mother Nature naturally purifies the outdoor air with sunshine, wind, rain, and lightning. The air inside can't benefit from Mother Nature. The result is the constant recirculation of fine particles in the air we breathe. Did you know there are millions of particles in the average cubic foot of indoor air? 98% of those particles are invisible to the naked eye and are the cause of many allergies and asthma attacks. Dust particles often include skin flakes, pet dander, dust mite feces, pollen, and insect parts. Regular air filters are designed to protect your heating and cooling equipment from large particles, but do nothing for smaller airborne contaminants that we breathe. The solution is a polarized media air cleaner installed in your central HVAC system. Particles entering the duct system are attracted to and trapped on the charged fibers and carbon pad. In fact, this system is so effective, it captures 97% of particles in the air we breathe. Ultrafine particles that may pass through the air cleaner also become polarized and join together, making them easier to collect on the next pass. Plus, it helps keep heating and air conditioning systems running at peak performance and prevents premature breakdowns. The Pristine Air Polarized Media Air Cleaner. Your solution for cleaner, fresher, healthy air.